So we are close to the end of the year, and one thing about me, in situations like this, I used to actually double my effort, actually like put more effort to whatever I'm actually doing to make sure it actually brings good result and even double the results. So this right here is a post which I posted in the Telegram channel some few minutes ago, and the context actually says we'll be having a 30 days Forex No Deposit Bonus, which means I'll be posting every single day for the next 30 days to make sure everyone gets a no deposit bonus to trade with, not just any other deposit bonus. No deposit bonus you can actually trade with and make withdrawals. So one thing I actually beg from you guys is once you trade and you actually make withdrawal, always share the withdrawal proof so you can actually post in the Telegram channel, in the WhatsApp channel, letting people know you can actually make withdrawal from these bonuses. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a no deposit bonus which you can claim. All I need from you is to pay attention, make sure you follow the steps I'll be showing in the video, and you'll be getting the bonus. So this right here is a claim, is a proof I got mine, and you can see I already placed order on it. So the steps on how to get it also is what you need to know. So for the terms and conditions, I'll be explaining it at the end of the video. Just pay attention and follow every single steps I'll be showing. Now, for those coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Daniel Light, and welcome to the channel Make Money with Daniel Light, where you get Forex No Deposit Bonus, crypto audits, and free signals in the Telegram channel, where you get to see more details about how we operate. Now, click on the link which I'll be adding to the comment section, and also the link will be added to the description, including other details you need to know about this bonus. The link to the site, the link to my Telegram channel, the link to the WhatsApp channel will be in the description. So, once you get to this site, this is what details you'll be having right here on your screen, just like mine. So, at this point, the first thing we'll be needing to do is to actually fill in our email address and the country where you're registering from. Now, you feed them into this boxes right here and you click on register, and that will actually take us to the next part where you get details like this on the screen. Now you can see right here, this is details of MT4, the account type, the currency, and you can see for the leverage and the partner. If you're actually using my link, you'll be having this right here filled like just like this. Now you click on register, and then you have this right here, this attention, thank you for registering. Then you have to go to your email address to click on this right here. You receive an email like this, then click on login to customer portal, then you'll be taken back to the site. And once you're taken back to the site, it's just for you to actually verify your email address you use for verification. Now this email address right here and the password, then you have to log in with using that link which was sent to your email. Log in back to the site. Now once you log into the site, you should have, since you actually select the account type, and make sure the account type select is MT4, you'd have this $50 right here like this in your account. Now if you don't actually find the account just like this, you don't find the $50 in the account, there's a simple step you need to take and you'll be credited immediately. Now you can see right here on the screen, scroll up a little bit, having this section right here. Now you can see we have promotion and bonus, we have personal data and some other details. Now you can see there's a section right here that says activate bonus. Now you can see that, you can see activate bonus. So once you click on activate bonus, it takes you to this section where you actually need to fill in a code. Now this code you'll be filling in into this box is very important. That's if you don't actually get credited immediately. You fill in this code into this box after clicking on activate bonus. Type in WOW50. So you type in capital letter without adding any space. Type in wow50 and then click on activate. Then you'll be credited with the $50 bonus. And don't forget, make sure in the account, make sure you open an MT4 account for you to get credited. Now once you have this like this, and in case you're having any issues, you can actually change the password for the trading account from this section right here. So once you change the password, you'll be able to actually complete every details you actually need to do, any step you need to take. Now if you don't actually get this process, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll reach out to you showing you process on how to go about it, or maybe you can send a DM to me and I'll reach out to you. So go back to your MT4. In this section you have details already sent to your email. You just need to log in to your MT4. So once you get right here, after logging into your MT4, you can see on the screen, this is what we have ready, the $50 ready to trade. Now since the $50 is ready to trade, I'll be opening a trade to show you the bonus is live. to show you the bonus is actually active, I can start trading immediately, which is what I just did right here. And for the terms and condition, you have to just take a few minutes to actually go through it and make sure you understand every content of these terms and conditions so you don't miss out, you don't break any rules. Just make sure you go through the context of the terms and conditions, and then we are good to go. So have a nice day, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I'll be dropping steadily every day new deposit bonus for you to claim, for you to trade. I'm also on one. I'm also trading with one of the bonus, so I'll be showing you every update in the Telegram channel and how every process goes. And also expect free signals every single day. As from next week on Monday, I'll be dropping free signals. Have a nice day, guys.